Hey guys, Boomtruck Gaming here with Brock. We're gonna be doing a 71K pack opening, pack and pain. So yeah, give me your iPad. We need to keep note. We're gonna have to keep note of what players to pull. So we'll take, and it's gonna be what's gonna be our pain? Airsoft gun in the butt? No. Airsoft gun in the butt too. Okay. So we're each gonna open a 50-50 all access pack for our first pack. No. Yeah, 50-50 all access. I just want you to put Boyd in one column and me in the other. My first player's open. Please be a gold. Ooh, it's a gold player. Ooh, Kyle Lowry. That's good. That's good. Okay, let me see. Okay, so Kyle Lowry, put it in next to mine. Kyle Lowry is a... What overall is Kyle Lowry? Kyle Lowry is a really good budget baller. 85. So now Brock will be opening... What pack? You mean open it for you? 50-50 all access. Up. Oh, bronze. Okay, let me tell you what overall he is. No, you put his name, you put the overall. He is the lowest overall on the Bulls team. 66. Okay. Now we're each gonna open a legendary VIP. Look at bronze players out of these things. It's like the biggest bit. It's like the biggest bit of bullcrap I ever heard of. Leroy Ellis, bro. Ooh, I got Greg Popovich. I don't have a gold coat. That's good. Leroy. Coaches don't count for players. Ellis. Okay, let me find his overall. He's not. I don't think he's a very high overall. He's not bad though. 73. So as of now, I'm beating you. And then we're gonna open. So now we're going to open one for Brock. Oh gosh, also. Oh, that's not bad. Charles Smith. Okay. Let's see what overall Charles Smith is. Okay, legend. It's like the Knicks with Mark Price. Where is he? No, never mind, not Mark Price. 73. Oh, I'm still beating you. Okay, our next pack is going to be a 50-50 pack. No, we'll do a lead pass. I have like 3 Kyries out of these. Ooh, don't give me a bronze player. Don't do me dirty. Oh, silver player out of the worst pack. Chris Humphries. Okay. Okay. Don't pick it up. Okay. Chris Humphrey is a 73. Okay, Brock's gonna pull bronze. I feel it. Or you're gonna end up pulling like LeBron or KD out of this. Yeah, you can pull LeBron out of this. Ooh, who'd you get? Oh dang, he's over at 73. He's actually not bad. I used to ball out with him. Okay. The Jazz. 76. Okay. Now we're going to open another legendary VIP. Okay. Give me a gold legend. Give one of us a gold legend. That's me. Gold legend football. Oh, that's not bad. John Havlicek. He has a good Ruby version. Okay, he's with the old stuff. 83. 3-pointer. Let's see. Dang, I'm probably gonna start playing. I may play him. 84. I literally want you to pull something good. I want you to pull like an MJ, because that just helps me out. Yeah, I don't really care. Please. Okay, cross your fingers for an MJ. I don't care. It's even though it's your pack. Otis Thorpe.
Let's go, bro.
He's good in the Yao Ming challenge, so I think he's worth something. Ooh, what did I just get? Oh, dang.
What?
I hit 250 players, so it gave me 20k MT. Sweet. Okay. You just pulled rockets.
Hey, that's my 20k.
Yeah. Okay. You just pulled 83.
Hey, I'll take that. I will take that.
Now the rest of our packs we're just gonna go between the green packs.
Ew, those suck.
How about we open one more 50-50 all access? These are my packs. These are my packs. I know. Ooh, David Wingate. Just remember David Wingate for me. Okay, we're probably gonna have only 2 more. Okay, Brock, you're about to get shot in Airsoft gun. Okay, David Wingate. You didn't give it to me. The game gave it to me. The 2K gods. Okay, Brock, you pulled a 70 overall. 70 overall for Brock. Yes, you did. Yes, pulled bronze. Yes, you did. I promise. Or no, you pulled that guy. Sorry, bro. 69. Okay, fine. I'll give you that extra point. Who did I pull? David Wingate. You pulled a 70. I pulled a 72. You better hope for KD or LeBron right here. But you better ask the 2K gods for KD or LeBron. You ready, Brock? Yep. No, this is mine. Okay, we each get 1 league pass and then it's over. Yeah. I pulled. People get a lot of. Oh, I got Willie Green. Okay, Willie Green. I think those are old. So that's Nats. Okay, that's for the Wizards, I think. Okay, let's see. I pulled some dude from the Wizards, I think. I'll tell you in a second what his overall is. Ricky Leto. No, I'm not gonna waste empty on the character. Okay, my guy was a 71. No, I did. You pulled Ricky Lee, and your guy was a 67. Okay, so we'll be. Let me see my answer for you. I'll give you one of these. No, but then you automatically beat me. Because it'll be like plus 70 more overall to you. Okay, it doesn't count. No. What's the point of that? Okay, fine. Okay. Bronze all day. Tony Mitchell. Okay. So Brock, you'll be getting shot with an airsoft gun. Okay. Tony Mitchell. 68. I'll get Ricky like that. Ooh, the checklist. Bro, why do you even add? Because you know you lost. You know you lost. Oh my gosh. Okay. So manage team. I'm gonna switch out some of these players, and we'll be back with the airsoft gunshot. Pack and pain. I beat you by 20 points.
Peanut butter jelly time.